How to add or change background photo on REDnote app. First of all, launch REDnote application on your device and ensure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your homepage, tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. From your profile feed, tap on profile button at top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down to the bottom and locate background photo. Tap on go to set your background and this will let you access your gallery section, or you can even take a picture to add or change photo. Then you can choose any photo, or you can even change your existing background by changing another photo, and with that you will successfully add or change background photo on REDnote app. I hope this guide worked, and if you're new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.